1.
I am Zengeya, the head of women's primary here in Bulawayo, and I am taking the responsibility of the HIC, that's head in charge athletics, PE included, for Bulawayo province under Naph. We have done quite a lot in the manner of preparing the competitions that are going to run as from tomorrow up to Friday the 7th. The preparations started at school level, then it was filtered through the levels of competition higher and higher as it was going, until we see ourselves tomorrow on the 6th competing at provincial level. And when we compete at provincial level, we are having all the districts taking part, the 5 of them that make Bulawayo Metropolitan Province. We are very assured, much assured, that we will make it in Wange, and the competitions in Wange that we are preparing here to make Team Bulawayo will take place on the 18th, 19th, and the 20th. All the children that will make it here in Bulawayo with gold are the ones that will make Team Bulawayo. And something of interest is we are going to be traveling together with the mentally challenged children. That's 2 boys and 2 girls that are going to partake in the 100-meter race and 200-meter races at national level. That's very interesting to me because we haven't forgotten.
And how much is important is this having this inclusivity when you talk about disabilities?
It's very important because a child is a child. We don't look at what they are made of or how they perform. As long as they appear or they live in our schools, we take care of them sports-wise.